Square One Kitchen. Hi everyone, today we are going to be making scones. First you need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 1 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 50 grams of butter, 1 1/4 cups of milk, extra for brushing. Preheat oven to 455 Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, mix the flour, the baking powder, the salt. So this is kind of funny. So we actually had to make 2 batches of scones because the first batch we messed up a little bit, but the recording of this is fine. So I made the second batch, but I didn't do it by hand like my dad did. So it just switches from him mashing up this butter into the dry ingredients, and then he adds the milk, of course, and then I just come in with the mixer, and it's like, it makes people, I thought I might point it out because people might think we're faking doing it by hand and just taking someone else's work, but just pointing that out. You want to knead it out, and it's really satisfying when you just go whoosh, whoosh. Very nice. The reason we fold it in half is because once it's baked, it makes it easier. You can pull it apart and put like jam and butter inside of it. Make a little sandwich. And when I say I ate scones for a while, I mean I ate scones for a while. They're really good, especially with the jam that we made. Very nice jam, very nice scones, very satisfying noises when I put them down and peel stuff up. Yes, the noise is very nice, very satisfied. Oh no, he doesn't want to go, he doesn't want to leave. Yes, sorry, I'm just chilling. Deja vu? We're doing this again, seriously, deja vu. Is there something wrong in the metrics? You just repeat this over and over and over again until it all just blends into one and you forget what you're doing and why you're doing it. But it's worth it in the end. Very much worth it. Remember that preheated oven that you preheated earlier? It should be ready by now, hopefully. And you put them on the tray. Make sure they're placed in lines and they're placed like about maybe a centimeter or 2 apart because you don't want them coming together. And they're done, nice and crispy and toasty. Delicious. Yes, if you make whipped cream and put it on top, it's delicious. Trust me, I ate these ones. My dad gave them to me after filming this. Thank you, bye!